Here's the Duplo Splash and Play section. I did a video, it's located in the Duplo Valley section of Legoland, Florida. I did a video, did a brief walkthrough showing all this, but I want to do a video on like each individual attraction. Now this would be a good time to do this one, there's no one here. Basically, it's like a, I'm not exactly sure I would call it a water park or a fountain, but basically kids just go through here and run to the water and get wet and cool off. Probably a little bit too cool for that today, but it's running, so I thought I'd show it. But they have all these different animals. Over there it says, do not run, step, or climb on the Duplo plant or animals. Yeah, so they don't want you to get on top of that. Basically, they just want kids to just run to the water, I guess, and have fun. And then one of those air dryers, that's like $5 for like a couple minutes to run through it, helping you with drying off. You definitely would need if you get really wet. Okay.